was real into me.
She said she didn't have no man, played the game.
Never would have thought she was living like that. Her words seemed so sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me how she feels. It felt so real to me.